Good morning. My name is M. Mageshwari, Physical Science Department, Section A. My topic is transgender. First, we see who is transgender. The transgender people is someone who the personal idea of the gender does not correlate with his or her as assigning the gender role. The transgender peoples are people whose gender is identity is different for the gender they were is the thoughts to be at birth. You see the image. Some transgender peoples who are born as a boy feel they should be a female, and those who are born as a girl you feel they should be a male. Transgender peoples is followed two types. First, we see the trans woman, a person who is assigned gender female in birth, but his identity with the gender is male. The person may or may not be have understand the sex. The reassignment of the surgery is the producers. Next we see the trans woman. We are assigned the gender is male at the birth. His identity is the gender in female. Now we see the nomenclature. The transgender is the umbrella term for cross-dressing people, and transsexual woman, male to female. Transsexual men means female to male. Is non-binary gender peoples and intersexual peoples. Now we see the common issues is facing the trans people. The trans people are likely live in the poverty and the unemployment and general in population. They experience the harassment and mistreatment or discrimination. Some of them is attempt and suicide. Trans have to access to the toilet. These are the problems we are faced in our society. Now we see the rights. The Indian Supreme Court recognizing the transgender peoples as the legal third gender is announced. The Supreme Court announced the third legal transgenders. The court has to directly national of state government is the redressing entrance discrimination is a suffered. Transgender people recognizing is followed or three is a minority according to the three types. There are the public job. The public job is administration of the education institution, making sure they are not discriminated again when seek into medical care. Is official identify the documents are now to introduce third gender box. The Tamil Nadu state, India was the first state introduced as transgender is the welfare policy. According to the transgender welfare policy, the transgender peoples can access the free sex reassessment surgery for the government hospital only for the MTF. Free house programs. These are the rights we are given transgender peoples. Political achievement. All the Indian is a Hydra Halwa Sabha is found over the dedicate is a voting rights is he is get a first vote right in the our society, which they finally is got in 1994. So Kamala Jan won is a past is the position of the mayor of the Katin in MP. Shavana Mols was elected to the Legislative Assembly in 2002. Gender experience and gender identity. Gender experience. Way which to person act to communicate is gender within give culture and example the term of clothes and communication pattern and interest. Now we see the gender identity. The innermost concept is self is male or female. What perceive and call is ourselves. According to the mainstream research, most people develop the gender identity that match into their biological sex. Problem facing transgender. These are the problems we have the transgender faced in our society. We know what are they is compulsory marriage and depression on the isolation and suicides and identity exclusion and discrimination, exploitation. These are the etc. Now we see the conclusion. Living with the identity of the transgender is very difficult in India as they are the facing description is very every step in the starting for our own family in society. The transgender people faced first discrimination in our family and society's experience is unique variance. The service starting in the lacks of the understanding the need of the problems. These are the reference.